Hello everyone, this is Jack. Of course, it's 9 p.m. here in Shanghai, and I just want to show you what's going on during the Chinese New Year here. There isn't a lot of people on the road. Most people stay at home and celebrating this most important festival in China. That tower is shining with a big screen. Look ahead. The tree's leaves haven't fallen down completely. Even spring is ahead. Spring is looming. So which means the global warming is a real issue. Not kidding. We have to emphasize it. It's so important to solve this global issue. What is your solution for this? Maybe you drive less and bike more, like me. Very nice. The sidewalk is immaculate. Very nice. There's a lot of sharing bikes. They're in a same line. It's easy to bike here. That is the entrance for the subway line 13. It's pretty good. There's a lot of e-bikes. Yeah, this intersection is pretty big. It hasn't snowed in Shanghai this winter. It's pretty rare. This winter isn't freezing at all. This holiday lasts for more than 1 week. It's the most important festival in China, the Spring Festival. The posters were gone. There's a lot of lights. Maybe some new posters will be coming. I'm walking more. It's good to walk. I've done more than 30,000 steps already today. Wow, I can see the moon. Yeah, can you see the moon? Exercise every day. Be physically active. It's important. One of the famous actresses called Big S passed away in Japan. She was only 48. It is very saddening. Dreadful. Pretty bad. She was very young. So working out is vitally important, crucial important, significant, paramount for our daily routine. So I suggest you drive less, bike more, walk more, and you are much more healthy. And you won't be bedridden. you won't be severely sick. Especially when you're at office every day. Walking is absolutely necessary, essential. Now look at the road. My bicycle broke down. I have to use the sharing bike, and the repair guy hasn't returned to Shanghai. He's in his hometown, so my bicycle can't be fixed. It's okay. It's very convenient to use the sharing bike. It's easy in the cities in China to move. The subways, public buses, sharing bikes, Didi taxis. Okay guys, look at the moon again. I will see you guys later. Give me a like. I have to use the VPN to download each video here. It's pretty time consuming and very tough. Your like is just like a diamond. So special for me. It's a big encouragement for me. I will see you guys later, everyone. Bye-bye.